Hi, this is Janet Nation from Keller Williams, and welcome to my channel where I talk about anything pertaining to real estate. And if you like what you hear, please subscribe to my channels where you're going to get a wealth of information and a variety of topics over time. Today, I want to talk about this device. It's this particular one is a carbon monoxide and a smoke alarm. I want to talk about these safety devices and why we should have them in our home, and in particular the placement of these devices. So many of us we should actually all have both a smoke detector and a carbon monoxide detector in our home. Minimum one. Really, you're supposed to have several throughout the house. I think they're saying now today right outside the bedroom. And what I have found is that many people place these devices, especially the carbon monoxide device, in the wrong location on the wall. So the smoke detectors go on top, right? And the carbon monoxide detectors go down the bottom, right? But what I often see is the carbon monoxide detector that should be down the bottom actually is on the top of the wall. So the reason why that's a problem is because carbon monoxide is colorless and odorless, and it rises, right, when it's escaping. So if you put the device on the top of your wall, by the time the gas rises, you won't be around to tell a story. You'll be a goner, And the same is true if the smoke detector is down here, but by the time it goes off, it might not be a good story. And I'm gonna tell you something that happened to me a few years ago. So I have in my house, I'm actually in my house right now, and you know what? I really use this machine. It's a combination carbon monoxide and smoke detector. It's a combination one, but know what I know, I really am using this device just for the carbon monoxide purpose. So I put it on the bottom of the wall, and one day I was working from home in my home office in the back, and I was cooking rice. You know how you multitask and try to get things done. Right, I was cooking rice and I forgot all about it, and then I just heard my alarm go off just like violently, and immediately I realized it was the rice. And I heard somebody also talking over the monitor over there, and so I got up. Then I instantly remembered, oh my God, it's the rice. I ran into the kitchen, and I have never seen so much thick smoke in the kitchen. I'm not gonna lie to you, I have burnt several things trying to work and cook at the same time. But this one was particularly bad. I mean, it was really thick. I was opening up the windows, I was opening up every door, and I explained to the monitor people that I'm sorry I burnt the rice, and they kept calling me, and then after a while they said, okay, we'll give you like 10 minutes, we won't keep calling you, because they know I was trying to take out the smoke. And so I would have to say it was about 20 minutes later, because what generated the alarm to go off was the smoke detector that I had right outside my steps behind me. That's what went off. And it was about 20 minutes later, this one went off. And And remember, I told you it was placed at the bottom of the wall. So I'm like, oh my God, thank God I wasn't depending on this device to detect fire, because I would have been in serious trouble. Because with smoke, it's up and then it comes down. So by the time the smoke started coming down, that's when this detector was able to detect it. Now remember, I'm talking about 20 minutes later. So you want to make sure that you place these devices in the right position. Make sure your smoke detector is on top and your carbon monoxide detector is towards the bottom. And you really don't want to use a multifunctional device, because one of them is going to fail unless you know what you're doing. And in this particular case, I really was using this device just for the purpose of capturing any carbon monoxide leak. But if you're getting the device because you think, okay, I'm going to save some money and get 2-in-1 and just place it in one position on the wall, you're dead wrong. You don't want to do that. Get a carbon monoxide detector separate from your smoke detectors, and you want to get multiple devices to put throughout your home. All right, so that was a little bit of a safety tip today, and really about the placement of these detectors. So if you like the information that you heard today and have any suggestions or topic matters that you want me to address as far as residential real estate is concerned, or even home maintenance, let me know. And please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye for now.